Uh, hey there, gamers. Are you ready to dive into the captivating world of LEGO Fortnite? Well, get ready because the latest addition to this creative universe is the Stormwild Raven Starter Pack, and it's not to be missed. Uh, since the debut of LEGO Fortnite, its popularity has skyrocketed, expanding from a simple survival game to a wonderland filled with islands and starter packs. But what exactly is the Stormwild Raven Starter Pack, and how can you get your hands on it? Let's take a closer look. The Stormwild Raven LEGO Starter Pack boasts a fantastic collection of decor and cosmetic items, including the Stormwild Raven skin and 7 breathtaking decor items. This pack is a must-have for any LEGO Fortnite enthusiast, allowing you to customize your gaming experience like never before. The Stormwild Raven skin is truly captivating, and when combined with the LEGO skin style, you'll feel like you've stepped into a whole new world. The Raven's Repose Decor bundle brings a touch of elegance to your gaming space with items such as the Raven's Cabinet, Raven's Clock, and Raven's Serpent Mirror. But that's not all. The Stormwild Raven Starter Pack also includes the Raven's Shelving, Raven's Slumber Single, and Raven's Somber Storage, providing additional opportunities to showcase unique style. Now, you might be wondering how to get your hands on this awesome LEGO starter pack. The good news is that it's available in the Fortnite item shop, found in the special offers and bundle section, or through the official Epic Games store page. The pack costs a reasonable $4.99, and it's set to be available from March 11th, 2025 into 7. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the item shop, grab the Stormwild Raven Starter Pack, and transform your Fortnite experience into a LEGO-infused wonderland. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for updates on all the latest LEGO Fortnite news. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.